These are two of the latest new flagship devices from Samsung, the Galaxy S24 and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And in this video, we're going to do an unboxing of both of them. But wait, we got even more. When you pre-order Unlock through Samsung.com, you get between $25 and $150 of credit to put towards any accessories that you want. And this is what I chose. So here we got the Galaxy Buds FE. These are Samsung's entry-level earbuds. Slightly behind their Buds 2 and their Buds 2 Pro, but they still look pretty nice for the price. We've also got the clear Gadget Case, which we are going to check out in this video. This is for the S24 Ultra. And we also have the anti-reflective screen protector, which came free with that case. And I've never actually used a screen protector before. I've just never really been interested in them, but this might be my first time trying a screen protector. But first, let's get down to business and actually open up both of these devices. So let's get started with the base small S24. So this one's actually from a carrier, not directly from Samsung, so we didn't get any accessory credit. And there's actually a bit of a difference in the packaging as well. It's got this plastic tape, whereas with the Unlock one from Samsung, we have these pull tabs. Let's go ahead and pop that open, and there it is. The Galaxy S24. This is actually so cute. So we got it in the cobalt violet color. Let's go ahead and get that sticker off the back and check out what little else we have inside the box. So I think the reason for the plastic tape instead of the pull tabs is because the carrier actually had to go ahead and put some stuff in the box as well. So if we open this up, we have our AT&T branded quick start guide and a bunch of other AT&T branded manuals, and we have our Samsung USB-C cable. And then we also do have, below all this, our SIM card that we can use to activate the phone. So let's go ahead and put that SIM card in there. So we're gonna use the included SIM ejector tool. The slot is on the bottom, and there we go. Now I'm gonna set this to the side for a minute while we take a look at the Ultra. This is the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and this one's unlocked directly from Samsung. And you can actually see on the front we have interesting design, because this is actually in one of these Samsung.com exclusive colors. This is actually the first time I've got a website exclusive color that's different from the standard range. And you know we had to get it in the Max Tech Studios orange. I mean, this is just perfect for me. It's a bright, it's peachy, it's all around amazing, and I think it pairs really well with this like goldish gray titanium sides. Let's get that sticker off the back and get that peel on the front. And also in here, once again, we do have just your standard stuff. Of course, no charger or earphones, because Samsung's too cheap, I mean environmentally friendly to do that. So yeah, just your standard stuff. So the most noticeable design difference between these models is, while we have an armor aluminum frame on the base S24 and S24 Plus, we do have a titanium frame on the Ultra model, just like Apple's iPhone 15 Pros. Interestingly, the titanium on this is actually just fully matte, not at all textured or brushed. Meanwhile, the one on the iPhone kind of has like a brushed type of texture to it. We can also see here on the Ultra, we have the S Pen, and let's just go ahead and click that out the bottom. You can see this is kind of a gray finish, so doesn't quite match the phone, but the bottom part does match the frame. And overall, the design this year for the Galaxy S24 series, it looks very similar. So here we have the S23 Ultra, but it's just refined in many amazing ways. So the S23 series across the board had the armor aluminum, but it was very glossy and it got kind of, like fingerprinted up. It got really smudged easily. The matte titanium on this device is much nicer. And as you can see, it just looks a bit more tidied up. It just looks a bit cleaner on this newer device. The S24 Ultra also has a fully flat display. Meanwhile, the S23 Ultra, if we turn this on, actually has a curved display that curves out to the edges like that. So I gotta get to setting these up, but while we're here, let's also check out some of the accessories we got for our S24 Ultra. So we do have the anti-reflecting screen protector, as well as the clear Gadget Case, which comes with this like strap thing. I've never had one of these Gadget Cases before, but they seem really cool, so let's check this one out. So here is the Gadget Case itself, and it looks like by default we have some type of phone stand built into it. So it looks like we got this ring that can prop it up, as well as give you a grip while you're holding it. And we can unlock and take it off just like that. And then we have these little connection points right here, which can be used to attach other gadgets compatible with the Gadget Case. So we have this phone stand slash grip mount, but there are also many other gadgets you can get to put onto this case. And you can actually see we have 2 pins on here, but 4 pins on here. So there's definitely some customization ability with this case in terms of what you can add onto it. But apart from that, it really just seems like any other standard clear case. It's kind of rigid. You got the hole for the S Pen, open space down here. I gotta say, without any of the gadgets on, this part kind of does look intrusive. It reminds me of some of those MagSafe clear cases that have the MagSafe cutouts there. It just looks a little bit intrusive. But when you put on the actual gadgets, still gotta figure this out. But when you do actually figure out how to put the gadgets on, it's pretty cool. But then we do also have, I think, another gadget actually included with this, which is this strap. A sort of strap. And you can see we actually have the letter S engraved in it because this is the Galaxy S Series. So if we unlock the stand, this is, okay, this does not work very well at all. There we go. We can actually put on this strap. And now we have a way to hold our phone, kind of like a lanyard loop. And I can actually see this being really convenient for some people. And then when you're done with it, you can just go ahead and rotate like this. And so maybe the gadget case wasn't the best idea, but it is an option if you wanted to get it. And now I learned to never get one again. So now I'm gonna get to setting up these new Galaxy devices, but if you enjoyed this video and are excited to see more content on the new flagship S24 series, definitely be sure to drop a like below to let me know, subscribe to never miss the next video, and I'll see you there.